bring your family in.
Noah said okay, and he worked every day. He didn't care what people thought. He obeyed God anyway. To a land of Noah's family too. To a land of Noah's family too. God had a plan, and He told